So we have to fix that. Now, we could do it a couple different ways. We could go and double this inlet up, or I could put another inlet in. So we'll just do that. We'll go over to our input menu, and there's different ways to do this, but I'll just show you an easy way. We'll just go and say draw routing junction, and we're going to have it automatically rename it. Click on draw. Come on in here, and you can see it's kind of snapping there. I'm going to put another inlet on the other side of this driveway, right, maybe right there. And it does that, right? So, and basically it duplicates the one nearest by. So that's been fixed up. Now I may change my mind and might say, well, based on that roadway slope, it doesn't make sense to have it there. I want to maybe move it. So I can just grab that little inlet there, and I'll slide it over, let's say right there, right? And say done. But I see that connecting pipe is still way over here. So let's go fix that. We're going to say connect over that way. So we'll just right click on this, say connect to a receiving element, tell it to connect up there, and it's fixed, right?